In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete a link in Google Chrome. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Google Chrome is open, press Ctrl and H on your keyboard at the same time. Take a moment to look at the history page. You may see many different links listed here depending on how much browsing activity is saved in Chrome. Instead of scrolling through everything manually, it is much easier to use the search bar at the top of the history page. Click inside the search bar at the top of the history page. Then type part of the link, website name, or page title that you want to delete from your Chrome history. Now look through the search results carefully. If there are multiple results from the same website, check the page titles and any visible address details to identify the specific item you want to delete. When you find the link you want to remove, look to the right side of that history entry. Depending on your version of Chrome, you may see a vertical three-dot menu, or you may see a small downward arrow next to the link. Click the vertical three dots, or click the downward arrow next to the link you want to delete. A small menu should appear on the screen. In that menu, look for the option that says Remove from History. Click Remove from History. After you select it, Chrome will remove that link from the visible history results. If you need to remove another link, you can repeat the same process. And that is all there is to it.